Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some butter slime. So let's get started. Things you'll be needing for this butter slime would be obviously a bowl and a mixing tool. I'm using a spoon here. Your clay, which is the most important thing. Some shaving cream, which is totally optional, but it'll just make it nice and fluffy. Some foaming hand soap. This I really suggest because it just makes your butter slime more sizzly and all those things. So obviously your glue. I'm using Elmer's glue. And your activator. So let's get started. Okay, so you're gonna start off by getting your bowl and pouring your glue in. I think that's about good. Don't want to make too much. Then you're gonna add your foaming hand soap. Maybe like 3 pumps. And then you're gonna add your shaving cream. Okay. Not too much. I'm pretty sure the foaming hand soap makes it more sizzlier, so yeah. Now I'm gonna mix these two together. You wanna mix it until you actually get like a clean I can never say that word. Consistency. Yeah, there you go, consistency. It's like nice and creamy. Okay, next you're gonna add your activator. In this case, I'm using Tide, and I'm just gonna pour that in. Oh, that might be a lot. Yeah, I might have added too much, but yeah, let's see. It's really sticky. Oh my god. It's actually pretty stretchy. And it's nice and fluffy too. This is such a weird consistency. Oh, there. Look, I just said that word. Wow, I didn't mess up. Okay. I think I'm gonna put it on the table now. Oh, I hope this doesn't make a mess. Ah. I think I might need some more activator. I don't know. Yeah, I think I need more activator. Okay, this is really sticky. I'm gonna put it back in my bowl and add some more activator. As you can see, this could get pretty messy, but yeah. Oh boy. starting to form. Okay. It's a little bit sticky, but I can work with it. This is actually really clicky. Wow. Okay, so I got my slime ready and it's all nice and activated now. So I think I'm ready to add my clay to the slime. So I'm just gonna quickly show you my clay that I got from the dollar store. Okay, still a little sticky, but it'll be okay once I add the clay in. So I got this little packet here. It's called Super Light Clay. I saw this at the dollar store and I thought it might work, so I got this. It comes with 5 colors. And right now I only have 2 colors here. As you can see, I have white and blue, but 3 more colors. The 3 other colors were pink, red, and black. I used the red and black for like testing it out. And I have the pink right here. This is the color I'm going to be adding to the slime. So let's do that. Honestly, when I got this clay, I actually didn't even know if it would work. I wanted to test it out and I was really hoping it would work. And I was so surprised when this actually worked. And I was so happy. Like, this was actually, I never thought I'll get clay for butter slime from the dollar store. And it was actually really cheap. I mean, like, why do you want to go buy some Daiso clay when you can get some clay from the dollar store? And it's basically already done. See how quick that was? Actually really worked. Super sizzly too. Can you hear that? And it's really clicky. Actually really clicky. And I even like this nice pinkish color. Also, I'm very sorry if like the slime and everything got cut off when I was making it. I did not realize that, and I do not want to make another video. That'll just be, yeah, that'll be a lot of work. So yeah, I'm very sorry, but yeah. And I've also actually made butter slime with Daiso clay before, but like to me there's not even there's no difference to me. They both feel the exact same. So like if you want to go and buy some more expensive clay for no reason, you can do that. But like, I mean, this is from the dollar store and this works really good. So it has great bubble pops and it's really spreadable. So soft and creamy. Oh my gosh, I just love this slime. I did not expect it to be like this. Yeah. Okay guys, this is it for my video. If you liked it, please hit that like button. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this. And also, please share this video with other people. And also, do not forget to comment down below if you actually made the slime and you found the clay in the dollar store. Tell me if it worked for you. And yeah. See you guys next time.